Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I keep in my purse. This is my little small purse edition. If you enjoy all things budget-friendly, hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle type of content, then be sure to subscribe because that is what we do over here. Now, I'm not going to dilly-dally, we're just going to get into it. I do not have a new purse this month. A lot of times I'll get a new purse for these videos, but I am reusing a purse from, this might be the first small purse, what's in my bag, that I've ever done. And that is this purse that I am reusing, and this one I got from Amazon, and I really like it. It is a small purse, okay, that's not big, but it's also not tiny. You can fit a good amount of stuff in here just fine. I think it's super stylish. This is a beautiful color. I will have it linked down below, but it does come in a million different colors. And I love the gold detailing and this zipper with the little fringe things here. So cute. I really like it. I do recommend this bag. It's nice and soft and it's nice. It's a crossbody bag or just over the shoulder. You can adjust it to whatever length you want, so it will suit anybody. All right, let me start with this thing on the outside. This is a necessity for any girl out there, child, a guy, you could want it too, but this is just such a necessity. So it is a little personal safety alarm. It is something that if you pull the top here and pull it out, this light will start to go off, and then back here are little speakers, a loud alarm will go off as well. And this is just something that is really good to help deter predators. Feel like you're in danger or something like that, pull it. And you're going to scare away anyone who might be trying to attack you or rob you or something like that, because it's going to draw a lot of attention to you. So this is just such a necessity, and it's also stylish. So having it on the outside of your purse is great because then you can just pull it and you're good to go. It's not hard to pull. It works wonderfully for a child from what I've seen from other reviews, and it's just a really good thing to have on you. You never know. This world is crazy, so be prepared. It comes in a few different colors. It has a beautiful matte finish and it's super soft. It's a really nice product. Okay, now let's go inside of the purse. I'm just gonna pull stuff out randomly, so let's just get into this. This first thing here is floss. This is actually charcoal floss, and this is something that I just think it's really nice to have floss in your purse, because if you're going out to eat or if you have eaten in the day, you might eventually come across something in your teeth that you just can't get out, and this floss is super duper handy and it's just a must-have. Next thing I'm going to pull out is some hand sanitizer. This is kind of self-explanatory, but it's just nice to have because you never know if you're going to be in an area that you're going to have access to wash your hands. So this is just a good safe bet to have in your purse. Next thing I'm pulling out is this migraine stick. This is on the newer side for me, and I am obsessed with it. I've used it several times, and it works wonders. It is just this little roll-on thing which you can just roll on your forehead, on your temples, and the back of your neck. I don't know the science behind it. It starts to get a little cool, and that's also just a nice relief in and of itself, because for me, if I have headaches, it's nice to have an ice pack on my head. But there's something in here that really helps get rid of your headache. You're not supposed to use it too often, no more than once every 2 hours kind of thing, and it's such a good product. It's vegan free. It's vegan and cruelty free, and it smells like toothpaste, so peppermint or something, I don't even know. It's great, and I highly recommend it. Next thing I'm going to pull out is this little handy dandy nail kit, which I keep in all of my bags, all of my what's in my bag videos. You will see me talk about this, but it's just a little on-the-go nail kit. It has everything you could need if you end up breaking your nail or your nail starts snagging on something or just whatever. It's really nice to have with you because you don't want to have to go about your day with the nail coming off or scratching people or something like that. So I just really like this. It's small, compact. It has a really good weight to it. It feels nice and really high quality, but not expensive. It isn't expensive, but it feels really good quality. And so this is just something I keep with me. I love the matte black of the tools, and it's just a necessity in my opinion. Okay, next thing here, I've got my glucose tabs because I am a diabetic. It's a little hidden today. It's behind my sleeve, but that's my continual glucose monitor. It just checks my blood sugar for me, but these are good to have. Just diabetic must have. Next thing, another diabetic must have is just my insulin. So, obviously I have to keep this with me. A mask, self-explanatory. Next thing is this fly away hair gel. It's just a really good thing to have if you have the tiny baby hairs that fly away, or you put your hair up and you want your hair to be more sleek while it's up. This is just a really nice thing, and I use a lot of it, and I think it's an excellent product. Next, chapstick. must have, self-explanatory. And then something I keep in all of my bags is lotion, and this is from the brand Cake, and this is the shea butter and vanilla scent. Smells amazing. In fact, I've got a big version of this as well. It's so good. I will link it down below for you. Smells amazing. It's nice and thick and creamy and just the bee's knees if you like lotion. So a couple more things. Okay, Bible tract. I like to keep a Bible tract with me. You never know when you're gonna need it. And a few feminine products, which I'm not going to take out of my purse, but as a woman, I keep feminine products with me if I know I need them. That's all I'll say. Then I keep this hair comb with me. It is just a nice little wide tooth comb, super small, sleek, travel size, excellent. Keep in your purse. And I just think anyone who has hair that you can brush, you're gonna need a brush with you because you never know. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to get out is definitely a must-have, and I use it all the time. Anytime I'm out and about, I use this thing. So it is this little purse hook right here. This is nice, small, compact, heavy duty. It has this little silicone on the ends for gripping, and what you do with it, basically you use it to hang your purse places. So like the main places I use it for is if I'm going to a restaurant, I like to hang my purse on the table because I don't want to set my purse on the ground, gross. Don't want to set it on the table, gross. And I don't want to put it on the back of my chair because it's either going to be in somebody's way or it's easier to swipe if it's on the back of your chair. So I'll just hang it in front of me on the table, and it's out of the way, and it's just so nice to have right there. It's nice and secure. And that's what this, like, you know, like this. It's also really nice to have in the bathroom with you because some stalls and public restrooms do not have hooks. So you hang this on the door and you're good to go. Or it has a hook where it's just kind of nasty and you're like, I'm gonna hang my hook on that hook to hang my purse on. You know what I'm saying? Rather than my purse touching that hook. You know, some bathrooms are pretty awful, so. Alright, that's all I keep in my bag of this size. In my big bag, I keep a lot more crap. But for this size, this is what I keep in it, what I find necessary. So let me know down in the comments what kind of stuff you keep in your bag. Let's swap some ideas. How about that? Anyways, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.